Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's been about a month since I last uploaded a video. There's a good reason for it. I'm not sure if the Bay Area made national headlines, but basically over the past month we've had continuous rain. Literally for the past 3 weeks, it's just been raining constantly. I guess the term on the news has been atmospheric rivers or bomb cyclones, whatever you want to call it. And I think when I last saw the news, they said the Bay Area had about like 20 inches of rain over the past month, which is insane. It's good for us, right? Because we're in a drought, so we need all the rain that we can get. But hopefully we're able to store all this rain, because I don't know how our water management system is. I noticed a lot of the water was just going into the creeks that we have, and those creeks just go out into the bay. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen. Anyways, regardless, it is what it is. Now, if you remember the last video, we did a video from, or I think it was on Skyline Boulevard. Unfortunately, I went towards Skyline Boulevard through Highway 92, and there is a massive sinkhole on Highway 92, and traffic was literally stopped. So I waited for 20 minutes, and I'm like, yeah, we're not going anywhere. So I turned around and I came to this area. Now, if you remember the first video, this is where I was for the La Honda road trip. Not road trip, but the La Honda road drive in the RC. And I realized I didn't record a video of the Integra going up towards Skyline Boulevard. Remember, I think I cut it halfway just to keep the video short. So I figured, okay, since I'm already in the peninsula, let me just record a video. So I came over here and we'll record with the Integra. So today we're at the Integra. I'm not going to do a walk around just because I'm stopped on the side of the road. As you can see, the park is closed. I was going to go in the parking lot, but it is what it is. So we'll do a video in the Integra. We'll see how the roads are. I mean, if you can see, there's a lot of dirt. So hopefully there's not too much debris, but we'll see. Now, I'm just going to wait a bit. I don't know how slow this guy's going to be, so I may cut the video a bit. I'll give this guy some time to pass, and then we'll start going. All right, let's go. I gave that Audi some space. Hopefully we won't catch up to him, but let's see. We are in sport mode. Let's go. So I mean, the Integra is peppy. Again, turbocharged, it kicks in. It does not sound good at all, and that's not a good sign. We've got a big truck turning onto the road. Oh god. Oh well, it is what it is. And then the other thing, there's a lot of bicyclists today. It's a nice day. Everyone's out. Let's see what happens. I got something in the trunk, my bad guys. Maybe hear a lot of noises, but that's the issue with these roads on the weekend. A lot of people come out here, and I'm not saying they should stay off the road, it's just it gets busy. And as an enthusiast, it's not fun. Wow, the roads are still wet, and it hasn't rained in like a week. That's insane. So I mean, this just goes to show how much rain we had over this past month. Luckily for me, I work from home. So the RC did not see the rain this past month. It literally stayed in the garage, so that's cool. And then the other thing, I'm starting grad school tomorrow, first day, so I don't know how that's gonna go. I have to manage work, and I'm just slowing down because I want to gun it a bit. But yeah, I don't know how I'm gonna manage school and work at the same time, but we'll see. Torque steer, a lot of torque steer. The road is wet, so it's not fun. Hopefully you can see the view. It's beautiful today. Look at that. You can see the whole bay. Nice. And then the other thing, I don't know what's up with our roads, but let's see, look at these potholes. These are nasty. I've noticed every time after it rains, we just have potholes everywhere, or cracks in the road. I don't know what it is. Is it the asphalt that we use, concrete? I don't know what it is, but it's sad. We pay a lot of taxes here in the Bay Area. I wonder where it all goes. Apologies, the car is dirty. It finally stopped raining last week, so I only washed the RC and then the Lexus ES that we have. This car I'll wash next week. I was actually thinking of maybe showcasing the Lexus ES, but it's a hybrid. It's a boat on wheels. I don't know how exciting that'll be, but whatever. We'll see. Maybe if people request for it, we'll showcase the boat. Yeah, last time when I recorded the La Honda Road video, the first video on the channel, I got here at like 9 a.m. on a Friday. And no, I didn't ditch work. I took PTO that day. But yeah, that's why it wasn't busy. And it's what, Sunday, 3 p.m. It's a beautiful day. Everyone's going for a drive or going to the beach, whatever they're doing, so it's busy. That's nice. I don't know, RX-7? I don't know what that was. It was nice. And then the other thing to note, this car is a lease. Again, this isn't my car, this is my mom's car. And the mileage is kind of high. I think she did a 3-year, 10K mile a year lease. And we got the car in August and we're at what, 4K. Just based on the math, we should be averaging what, 800 miles a month. I think we're a little bit over. We're doing about a K, 1,000 miles a month, which is not good. So I may not be able to take this car all the time because they need to manage the miles because she goes to work, goes to the office, but yeah, we'll see how it goes. The RC, I bought it so I can drive it as much as I want. Usually I don't buy cars, I always lease. The reason why I bought the RC was because I don't think Lexus is gonna continue to make the RC. It's an old car, old platform, old engine. And I'm like, let me save the V6 because California is going to be banning gas cars in 2035? 10 years? 12 years? 13 years. No, it's 2023, 12 years. So I'm like, yeah, let me get a V6 before it dies. So the plan is to keep the RC as long as I can, but I don't know. We'll see what happens. Life, you know, life happens, so. I didn't know you could go from there. Oh well. I also like the driving position in this car, so you can get really low with this seat. So I'm, I guess, at the limit, or I'm all the way down, and I love it. I like being low. Yeah, over the past month, a lot of the good driving roads were shut down. So again, like I mentioned, Highway 92, there's a huge sinkhole. So I think they closed the eastbound or westbound, I forget what part, but they closed that part of the road. La Honda Road was closed for a bit. So there's a lot of damage. There was a lot of rain. And yeah, obviously I can't record if the roads are shut, so that was kind of the reason for the hiatus. Beautiful, look at this. This is where I stopped last time when I did the Skyline video. We'll go a little bit further and we'll pull over somewhere. I thought that was a leaf. I don't know if you guys saw that. Luckily he moved. there's parking down there. Never mind, we're okay. We will call it quits. I've never been to this part of Skyline, actually. Maybe future video we'll go over here. Jaguar F-Type. Alright, we'll call it quits here. I'm just going to turn around. But that will wrap up the video, guys. I will try to get back to, I guess, a normal schedule of videos every week or two. Again, nothing happened to me. I didn't quit YouTube. It was raining too much. But anyways, guys, that'll wrap up the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next one.